Whoa, you have just received a present, your first smartphone. Did you know you can do tons of things with a smartphone? One of the coolest things is that you can go on the internet. The internet is an amazing place to find new friends like you from all over the world. You can play games, listen to music, send text messages, and learn lots of things. But there are rules on the internet that should be followed. Every time you send a message to a friend, it's like delivering the message in person. Everything you write online is the same as a face-to-face conversation. Virtual is real. When you express yourself, remember that the words you use represent you. You are what you communicate. Take great care with everything you share online, like information and photos about you and your friends. If you have any doubts, always ask an adult for help. Share with care. Don't forget that sometimes it's best to turn it off and spend quality time with your friends and family. And always remember to be mindful of how much time you spend using your phone. Ask an adult to help you set up time limits. Be careful when sharing pictures and information online. They can be easily shared by others, and they can remain online for a very long time. Be yourself, especially when you communicate with other people online. The words you use represent you. Put your phone out of your reach when you are studying. It will help you to be more focused. When you enjoy time with your friends and family, there is no need to use the phone, so sometimes it's better to turn it off. Don't you agree? Hi, Hannah. You're spending time online, aren't you? I understand. There's so much interesting stuff. And chatting with your friends on social media is so much fun. Sometimes, though, we need to be careful because with our behavior, we could hurt other people.
What do you mean?
Let's do a little test, okay? In the school WhatsApp group, someone sends an embarrassing photo of your friend. How do you react?
Hey guys, that's not funny. Why don't we delete the photo?
Virtual is real. In a chat with a friend, as a joke, you use a not-so-nice word and your friend gets upset. What's your reaction?
He is overreacting. He should have a laugh. I should put myself in his shoes. I know that it was a mistake, and I'll say sorry.
Words have consequences. A friend tells you about one of her weaknesses, and you really want to share it with others online.
This is so funny. I'm gonna post it. Can you imagine how many likes I can get? I am old enough to understand when it's right to post something or not. And this time, it's best not to.
Silence says something too. Well done, Hannah. Remember that the way we behave is crucial to fight against cyberbullying. Remember, be a friend, not a bystander. If you come across offensive videos or messages, tell the bullies to stop. If you keep quiet, you empower them. Your actions can make the difference. Remember that words have consequences, and what you say online can have consequences in real life. Respect your friend's privacy. How would you feel if a friend shared something embarrassing about you? It's better to ask consent before posting. Use the available tools. Most social media apps allow you to block people or report the problem to the service. If you are bullied, you can always use these tools. If you witness something online that you don't like or that could hurt you or a friend, remember that you can always talk to an adult.
Today is my birthday. I'm gonna post a story. Let's meet outside school. Happy birthday! Selfie? Yeah! Hey guys, let's shoot some hoops. Basketball court at 4. I'll be waiting for you at my place to celebrate. This is my address and my phone number.
Happy birthday, David! You're very popular, aren't you? You have lots of friends. You use chats and social media all the time. They know everything about you. What you like, when your birthday is, who your friends are, the sport you play. But they could also know your phone number and where you live. Have you ever thought that what you share online could be read by someone that is not so much of a friend? Always remember to take great care with the personal information and photos that you share online. Share with care. Now let's go celebrate. Your friends are waiting for you. Remember, pictures and information that you post or send can be easily reshared by others, so they could remain online for a very long time. Be careful when posting. Don't share phone numbers, addresses, or personal details. This information could be misused by others. Always check your privacy settings of the apps you use. It's important to know what people can see or who can contact you. When signing into a website or social media, ask an adult for help and advice. Choose a difficult password and share it only with your parents. Take great care with everything you share online. If you have any doubts, always ask an adult for help.
No, I can't believe it. I have to share this.
Wow, so many likes. What have you shared?
Look at this. It's so cool. I'll share it as well.
Groundbreaking, eating 1 kilo of chocolate a day boosts your memory? Where did you see that?
A friend from school has shared it with me. Not sure where she has seen it.
Did you double check this information before sharing it?
What do you mean?
On the internet and social media, there are lots of news stories that are not real, and they are called fake news. Sometimes they are posted just to make people laugh, other times to get more likes or harm someone or something.
Come on. At the end of the day, it's just a post on social media. Look at all these likes.
But it's a lie. It's only chocolate we're talking about, but next time it could be you. Think about it. Always remember that. Virtual is real.
But I've only shared it online.
I know, but it's important to be able to spot fake news, especially before sharing it online. Share with care.
And how do you do that?
It's not difficult. You just need to follow a few rules. Would you like me to tell you about them?
I'm all ears.
Let's try something. You have just received this message from a friend. According to an American university, younger siblings tend to be funnier than their older siblings. Lucky you! You're the youngest. I wonder if it's true. Would you double check it, or you just trust your friend and share it? Great! You're reading a post which reports large, exaggerated numbers. Wow, that's a really big number. I wonder if this is true. Would you double check it, or you trust the source and share it? Well done. Good job. Someone shares this article. Groundbreaking. Eating 1 kilo of chocolate a day boosts your memory. Science says so. But is this really true? What would you do? Would you double check it or share it? Good job. Well done, Jasmine. Now you are an expert at telling the difference between fake and real news.
Now I know how to do it. I'll let my friends know that the news about the chocolate was fake, and I'll delete the post. More fake news! I'm definitely not going to share this.
And remember, not all you read on the internet is true. Here are some tips for you. Every time you come across some news you find interesting, don't read just the headlines. Read all the way through and make sure the date and author's name are clearly stated. This way, you'll avoid making a mistake. If the headline involves exaggerated numbers or words like important, incredible, you can't imagine, and you also find grammar errors, be careful and check that other sites or newspapers have also reported similar news. If you don't find anything, then it's fake news. If the news comes to you by word of mouth, ask an adult to verify together with you that it is true. Whoever sent it to you may not have double-checked it, but you can. When you share fake news, you spread the word and make more people believe that it could be true. Remember that your actions can make a difference. Think about it before clicking share. What if someone you knew actually did start to consume a kilo of chocolate a day?
Do you want to find out more about parole ostili? Check the link on the video description.